My name is Ben Rodriquez. I am a welder at the Advanced Manufacturing Center. When I started at CCD, I wasn't sure if I was going to be able to finish. Money was somewhat of an issue, so receiving the CCD Foundation Scholarship has been huge. Being able to picture something in your head and use your hands to actually put it together, it's been nothing short of perfect. I'll finish with all my certifications in welding as well as an associate's degree in applied sciences. I would just want to tell all the donors thank you, and you almost get like emotional thinking about how people out there really do want to help, and I'll be the first in my family ever to graduate college. Me and my little siblings are very close, and I know they look up to me, so it's important to me that they see that hard work really pays off, and just put your mind to it. Whatever you want to do, you can do it.